afternoon everyone. Ito na naman ako magpe-plan ng favorite na fruit salad ni Papa Guillermo. Kasi ito ang gusto niyang kainin ngayong tanghali. Panoorin niyo. Ito ang mga flavor ng fruit salad na gusto niyang kainin. Ito ay tomatoes. Ito naman ay apple. Ito naman ay banana. Ito naman cucumber.
And that's carrots.
Ito ay carrots. And ito ang maganda na gamot sa mga taong may sakit sa baga. Yung may bukol ng baga at saka yung may bukol ng bladder. Ito ang tinuturo ng doktor na palaging kakainin niya kasi may heart failure yung asawa ko at saka meron siyang bukol sa baga at saka sa bladder, kaya
Do you need water?
yeah, I will put water, and then I will put also juice, grapes juice, so that it will taste good. I know that Papa is love to eat fruit salad. And then we will blend this fruit. Okay. What's happening? Oh my God. Ay, nako. Okay. Tingnan natin kung wow, maganda talaga. Tingnan mo, Papa. You taste, Papa. You must taste. What is the taste? Wait. Oh, how's the taste? How's the taste, Papa?
It's good.
It's good? Okay. Thank you, Papa. I love you.
I love you.
And you can say,
Yes, but yeah, it is good. Salad is good. Or
that's your favorite.
Smashed salad.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, maraming salamat po.